The definition of the word rumor, all right? A currently circulating story or report of uncertain or doubtful truth. Rumor packages. We're making it real, all right? I don't mean rumor in a disrespectful way. Actually, it's like, I mean it. Like I was looking at the definition of rumors, all right? Let me share this with you guys. The definition of the word rumor, all right? A currently circulating story or report of uncertain or doubtful truth. It doesn't say that it's a falsity. It doesn't say that it's a lie. Uncertain. In the world of sales, guys, how many people say, like, I don't know if any of you guys have met a car salesman before or been a car salesman. Dude, like, right. Like, how many people, Ernesto, you were selling bed sheets on the road. How many people walk in and they say, oh, I love him. I'm going to talk to my wife and I'll come back soon.
I'll be right back.
How many of them actually came back? Percentages.
9 out of 10 would never come back.
9 out of 10 would never come back. All right. That's a reality. So when somebody tells you, yeah, I love it. Yeah. I'm probably going to get back to you tonight. That means nothing, right? It's just a rumor. Now, that rumor can be materialized by you guys. That's why I like to call it a rumor, because it's your job to bring it home. That's what we only celebrate when we actually close, because your job is to bring it home. Your job is to be, believe it or not, Mr. Charlie right now is in second place for the month right here. He's brought it home twice, and it became an actual fact. Until then, a lot of people, for every 100 people that we see, 98 people say, yeah, I love it. I think it's a great idea. That's just the way it is, right? So it's a numbers game. You guys got to speak to a lot of people, because the more people we speak to, the higher percentages we're going to be able to close along the way.
If you're enjoying this content, please go ahead and subscribe. Help me comment below and let me know if you have any questions about marketing. And I'm on a mission to help as many of you as possible conquer the marketing world. So help me out. Subscribe, hit that button, hit that bell, get notified. We're going heavy with content in this 2021 year and beyond. Go ahead and subscribe right now.